Get ready for one of the most insane surprises of 2025. Just days before the official iPhone 17 announcement, it seems like Samsung's secret regarding the Galaxy S26 series has been fully spilled. Spoiler alert, this is gonna make you question everything about Samsung's design philosophy. So feast your eyes on what could be the very first real look at the Galaxy S26 series, and right in the rear we have the iPhone 17 inspired Galaxy S26 Edge design. So what you're looking at right now is factory GAD based dummy models coming via Sonny Dixon. He's a pretty trusted source. So you can see the Galaxy S26 and the S26 Ultra that are pretty much in line with how a Samsung standard flagship design should be in 2026. But with the S26 Edge, it seems like Samsung has taken full inspiration from the iPhone 17 Pro's design, which in case you don't know is gonna look like this. The extended camera bump is clearly similar to the iPhone 17 Pro's design. And even though we only have two cameras on the back of this phone, there is still some form of camera bump, which I just don't know why that is there. So one explanation for this via Eisenverse is that this blank area could be for the battery in order to free up the space. Because the S26 Edge will have record-breaking thinness at just 5.5mm with 4200 mAh battery. That's an insane battery to fit inside a thin form factor. So maybe that is why they have done this design choice. But it's very obvious that it is looking very iPhone 17 Pro inspired. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Now coming to the standard S26 and the S26 Ultra, these are absolute Samsung chat designs. These are once again an evolution of Samsung's already continuing flagship design. It seems like the camera bump design is very similar to the concept we showed a few weeks ago on the channel. So there's some slight adjustment here and there. But overall the design language remains the same. But definitely things are going very different for the Galaxy S26 Edge. Now on the back you can see this big circle. Now this is obviously not a design thing. This is basically an indication that we are likely going to see G2 wireless charging. Meaning we are likely going to see for the first time MagSafe capability. Like native on-device MagSafe capability without using any third-party case on the Galaxy S26 flagship phones. Similar to how Google introduced on the Google Pixel 10 series. It's one of the most exciting innovative features that Apple introduced with the iPhone 12 series. Although we could do that with the help of cases. But now this will be adopted natively. And I can't wait to see what exciting innovative accessories that Samsung is going to invent, thanks to the MagSafe capability. And also I'm very curious to see what they're going to call their MagSafe feature. Also the camera configuration is looking similar to the Galaxy S25 series. So Samsung is not killing any camera lens on the Ultra. We're still getting 4 camera sensor with the added 3x, 10x, main and the ultra wide angle lens. From what we know, the main sensor is getting a ridiculous aperture upgrade at about f1.4. 3x lens is also going to be changed, as well as the 5x lens with even larger aperture for better low light performance. We're likely going to see some kind of camera change for the standard Galaxy S26. And then the middle iPhone 17 inspired S26 Edge cameras are probably going to be similar to what they're going to use on the Ultra. So main camera will be like the Ultra, the new 200 megapixel sensor, combined with an upgraded ultra wide angle lens coming at 50 megapixel resolution. So there we go. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. I'm very surprised. Things were looking very stable and mature in terms of design. But suddenly Samsung has just flipped the script at least on one of the models. What do you guys think could be the reason behind this? Is it truly battery, or is it rage baiting us? I don't know. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe for latest videos and I'll catch you guys in the next one. So Samsung's new design strategy is to copy an iPhone that doesn't even exist yet. The S26 Edge looks like it had an identity crisis and decided to be an Apple fanboy. It's not a phone leak, it's a sneak peek at corporate fanfiction for 2026.